Okay, today I'm going to finish up a video that I started here a while back. It was the Gerber diesel versus the S.O.G multi-tool. I think this is the S.O.G V-cut power lock. Gerber diesel versus the S.O.G power lock. And in that video, the S.O.G power lock really did win that video. It won that head-to-head challenge. The Gerber diesel, I'm extremely disappointed in this Gerber diesel. And before this, I had really good luck with Gerber multi-tools. Most namely, the Multiplier 600 blunt nose. And I've had this multi-tool for a long time, and I beat the hell out of it. And in that video, go to my channel, you can see that video. It's Gerber diesel versus S.O.G, I think, or Gerber versus S.O.G. But in that video, I damaged the Gerber. You can see the teeth, maybe, right there. They got the divots in them on the cutting surface. You see how they're damaged there? Well, I was extremely disappointed in that. And the only thing I was cutting was a wire coat hanger. The S.O.G came away undamaged. The teeth are completely undamaged on the S.O.G. And I've cut a lot of wire with the Multiplier 600 by Gerber, and those jaws are completely undamaged. And I've had this pair of pliers probably over 10 years, and I've absolutely beat the hell out of them. So today, to do an update on that video, the Gerber versus S.O.G, first I want to get this out of the way. You can see there are parts missing in the Gerber diesel. That's because I took those parts out of there and put them in the multiplier, the 600 multiplier, because the original file that was in my 600 I broke. So I took the file out of this useless pair of Gerber diesel and put it in the Multiplier 600. The nylon sheath for the Multiplier 600, the one I've had, the good pair of Gerber multi-tool that I've had for a long time, that sheath was getting a little outdated and a little worn out. So I took the Gerber diesel multi-tool sheath, and that's where I use. That's where I carry the 600s now. So I've taken the parts, and I'm going to finish swapping parts too one of these days. Eventually I'm going to take the saw, because the Multiplier 600 doesn't have a saw in it, a wood saw, but I'm going to use this wood saw. It's a really good wood saw, and probably some other stuff. I'm just going to use this useless pair of Gerber diesels to rebuild my my 600s. So, which takes us to the S.O.G power lock. And like I said in that video, this is a really good pair of multi-tool. This is my everyday carry, I think, until now. Got my hands on a LEATHERMAN Surge, and when I got this pair of Leathermans, this is my first pair of Leathermans, I guarantee it won't be the last. Wow, what an awesome multi-tool this is. Built like a tank, weighs almost 13 ounces, pliers alone. So today, or this morning, let's look at LEATHERMAN Surge versus the S.O.G power lock. First, Leatherman. Nice heavy-duty leather sheath. Got an internal storage for the spare bits. The spare bits is just a diamond file and a wood saw in a plastic sleeve that slides down inside the sheath. The only thing I don't like about this sheath is it's made in China. Come on, Leatherman. Your multi-tools are made in America. This sheath can be made in America. One thing I really like about this sheath is the carry option. It can be carried horizontal with your belt going this way, or it can be carried vertical with the belt going through here. That's something I really like. Got the expandable side pockets. Got the elastic on the side, on both sides, so you can carry fire steel in there, carry you know, whatever you want in there. Basically, you can carry you know, screwdrivers in there, just slide them down in that pocket. You know, what have you, whatever you think of to fit in there that would fit, you can carry it in there alongside the Leatherman Surge. Leatherman Surge. I gotta tell you, I am absolutely impressed with this multi-tool. I didn't think it could get better than the S.O.G, but it has. And wow, let's start on the outside. I mean, there are hundreds of videos on the Leatherman tools, and the Surge included, on YouTube. So I'll just give a quick rundown over this. What I really like about this is the knife blade. What an impressive knife blade. This is a serious knife blade. And it's a one-handed open. Just take the tip of your thumb, jam that meat down in there, swing that blade open. Got the liner lock. Look at that blade. That is a blade. Compared to the Gerber, there is no comparison. On the opposite side, got the sheep's foot serrated blade right there. Another impressive blade. Also liner lock. Here's something that I don't know if I'm impressed with or not, but it's doable. The file. A standard metal file on one side, flip it over. Got a diamond impregnated file here, industrial diamonds, super tough. And it's a three-sided file too. 1, 2, 3. This diamond impregnated file I'm really impressed with, because this can be taken out of here and used to sharpen the blade, the knife blade, or hone it anyways. Plus it's got like a saber saw bit on the end, so you can go to your Home Depot, your Lowe's, or wherever, your corner hardware store, and buy a saber saw or jigsaw blade, somewhat like this, for metal cutting. Put it right inside of there. Okay, inside the sheath you get plastic sleeve with an extra bits in it, and that's where the wood saw is. Now this wood saw, compared to the wood saw in the S.O.G, get that out of there, it's kind of small. Oh, let's go this way. Get that in the sun there, I'll try to anyways. Kind of small. Length is about the same. Teeth are about the same size. Just fit that in there. Close the locking sleeve. And you're good to go. Again, liner lock. Let's see what else is on the outside. Scissors. Nice heavy duty pair of scissors. Liner lock. Got a plastic thumb grip right here. Nice heavy duty pair of scissors. I really like that too. Close them up. Everything fits right back inside. You don't even have to open the tool. Whereas on the S.O.G, you got to open it up, press down on the piano hinge, lock, put the tool away, reclose the tool. Now let's open this monster up. Wow, I'm super impressed with this pair of pliers. I really am. Inside the handle scales are rounded over to grip. Zoom back out there as far as we can go. And just a comfort for the hand. Out here you got Phillips bit driver. There's also bottle and can opener. On the other side you've got an awl. What else is here? Micro screwdriver. Phillips. Take it out, flip it over. Got a slotted. Here you got a large slotted driver, or a lot of people call them flathead screwdrivers. I don't. I call them slotted because that's what they are. You got a slotted screwdriver or a gouge scraper. It can be used for that too. And then all the implements lock out. To unlock them, just press down on this button and fold them away. Oh man, let's see what else is on here. Got the needle nose pliers, the heavy duty pliers, wire cutter, the heavy wire cutter right there where it's grooved out. That's the heavy wire cutter. Down in here, this is the for crimping electrical connectors like butt splices, ring terminals, things like that. That's for crimping those right there underneath the plier head right in there. So let's see what else. Man, I just can't say enough about this pair of pliers. The fit, the finish is just absolutely awesome. It really is. And I'm gonna have to finish this up because I just got a few minutes here, but this is an absolutely awesome pair of pliers. I didn't bring a coat hanger today to cut, so I did bring a nail. Small brad nail, about the same size as a coat hanger. Let's see how well a S.O.G cuts that. No problem, no damage. Leatherman. No problem, no damage, no damage. Nice clean cut. So, for me, in my opinion, let's look at the blades on these things, the knife blades, real quick. There's a knife blade on the, and it's well used. I don't know what I've been cutting with that, but it's a chisel ground, which I don't like. Chisel ground blade on the S.O.G. And here is that awesome knife blade on the Leatherman. Look at that. Awesome. That's a knife blade. That, it could be a knife blade, but it's got some growing up to do, I guess. I'm going to do a two-part on these two. So stick around. Part 2 is coming up. Thanks for watching.